So 15F, confidence intervals again. We're looking at example 15. Now example 15, continue on from example 14, same setup, looking at IQs. We're looking at we want a 95% confidence interval. We have a sample mean of 108.6, standard deviation of 15. What is different is we have a much larger sample size. In example 14, we only looked at a sample size of 100. Now remember, we can do our rule off our rule sheet. So if we were in a tech free or we only had a scientific calculator, we can sub in. So it would be 108.6 minus 1.96 times 15 on square root of 400. 108.6 plus 1.96 times 15 on square root of 400. Or we'll go to our calculator. Remember, on our calculator, we go in our stat mode, we're going intra, we're going Z, we're going F1, which is the one sample. Now this is set up from where I was doing example 14. So 95% confidence interval, standard deviation 15, sample mean 108.6, sample size 400, and we get our confidence interval as 107.13 and 110.07. Now compare that. How is that different to what we did in example 14? And in example 14, where it was only 11, it was 105 to 111, whereas now it's 107 to 110. So having that larger sample size has actually meant we've got a smaller confidence interval.